Good morning and welcome back to the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championships. My name is Raisa Lalani and I've got your play-by-play for this game, and this is a matchup of the Bedford Blizzard team versus the Seahawks Elite. It is your 7:45 a.m. start time game, and we have got a full day of volleyball ahead for you today. The lineups are just getting checked and we are going to be right on our way, and starting us off with the serve is number 6, Abby Segay. Segay with the serve. Passed up by the Seahawks. And a free ball coming over. And there's a back row attack from Schollard. And a good touch there from Seahawks number 2, Dwyer, but that point is going to go to the Blizzard. Segay back to serve again. That ball is up and over. And a free ball coming from the left from Coleman. Swinging on the ball for the Seahawks is number 4, Ashley Walsh, and that is going to score for Walsh. Point Seahawks. Going back to serve for them now is number 1, Zoe Rowe. Rowe with the float. Segay with the dump, and that is going to score for the Blizzard team. And now back to serve here is number 14, Anna Coleman from the Bedford Blizzards. And that ball is just wide out of bounds. Point Seahawks. Back to serve now is number 4, Ashley Walsh. Walsh with the serve. Free ball from Schollard. Dug up by Rowe. Free ball over. Schollard pushing it out left, and a good save there from Parley. Free ball from the Seahawks. Schollard in the middle, and there is a tip from number 12, Alessandra Natalini. And now she's going to go back to serve for the Blizzard side. That ball just out the side once again for the Blizz server, and that point is going to go to the Seahawks. Going back to serve here now is number 12 from the Seahawks side. This is Avery Connors. That ball passed up. Schollard pushing it out left to Parley. And there's a swing in the middle from Cadigan. Schollard with the dump. Dug up and blocked at the net. That point is going to go to the Blizzard side. Great defense there from the Seahawks, and some even more impressive offense from the Blizzard team. Serving here now is Gabby Schollard. That ball is passed up. And a little bit tight there for the Seahawks hitter. Point Blizzard. Schollard back to serve. And that ball is overbumped. In the middle there is Hill. And that ball sailing long for Hill. Point Seahawks. Back to serve here for the Seahawks now is number 10, Haley Earl. Earl with the serve. Free ball. And there is a swing there from Cadigan. Hill, and that one is going to paint the line. Point Blizzard. Back to serve now for the Blizzard side is number 1, Madison Parley. And that is an overbump out of bounds. Point Blizzard. Serving again here is Parley. And that is going to squeak over the tape. Service ace. And there is an over bump, and it is going to score for the Seahawks side. Back to serve for the Seahawks now is number 2, Claire Dwyer. And that ball is just short into the net, point Blizzard. Serving here now for the Blizzard side is number 10, Madison Hill. Hill with the serve. And that ball coming into the score table. And a good hustle from the Seahawks player, not giving up on that ball, coming into the score table herself, but that point is going to go to the Blizzard side. Hill with the serve. And that is a service ace from Madison Hill. Hill back to serve once again. And there is an over bump. Parley digging it with her hands. Free ball coming over from Coleman. And there is a swing from Seahawks number 4, Ashley Walsh, but that ball just going out of bounds for her, point Blizzard. Hill with the serve. Walsh with the pass. And a free ball coming over from Cadigan, but that is tracked out of bounds, point Blizzard.
Joey, it's going to be your ball. Call her off it.
Hill still serving here for the Blizzard team. And that ball is passed out of bounds, point to Blizzard. Looks like we are going to get a timeout call here from the Seahawks coach. Well, folks, we were here all day yesterday. We're here all day today and tomorrow. Bell Alliant TV1 is so proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 U14 Atlantic Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with fiber op. And on your screen there is the Seahawks huddle. Both teams ready to get back on the court here. And going back to serve once again for the Blizzard side is number 10, Madison Hill. That ball's passed up by Earl. Walsh on the left with the free ball down the line, and that is going to score for the Seahawks. Going back to serve here now for the Seahawks is number 13, Kathleen Cadigan. Cadigan with the serve. Blizzard recovering the ball, free ball over. Walsh on the left. Seguin setting it out left. And there is a roll shot from Coleman. Seahawks with the dig, and that is going to score for the Blizzard team. A little miscommunication on the Seahawks side. Serving the ball now is number 6, Abby Seguin from the Blizzard team. Jump float. And that ball just sails long on her, point Seahawks. Now back to serve here is Rowe. That ball's passed up. Seguin chasing it down. And a attempted a free ball coming over there from the Blizzard side, but that ball just short, point Seahawks. Number 1, Zoe Rowe, serving again for the Seahawks. And that is a service ace in the deep corner for the Seahawks. Rowe serving again. And that ball is passed up. Free ball coming over from Natalini. Walsh with the free ball short. Dug up there by Parlee. Scholar taking that set. Coleman with the free ball. In the middle there is Connors, but that ball is into the net, point Blizzard. Great job from both sides on their defense. A nice long rally here in the first set of the first game of your Saturday morning at the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championships. Serving here now is Coleman. And that overbump is going to be out of bounds, point going to the Blizzard side. Coleman with the serve again. And that is a service ace for Coleman. That ball is in the court. Point Blizz. Coleman back to serve. The ball's passed up by Walsh. And swung at by Connors, but that ball just out the side there, point Blizz. Coleman serving again. And that one is going to go short into the net, point Seahawks. Back to serve on the Seahawks side now is number 4, Ashley Walsh. Passed up by Seguin. And there is a swing from number 1, Madison Parlee, but just out of bounds, point Seahawks. Walsh back to serve. Passed up by Seguin. Schollard out left. Free ball from Parlee. And a free ball there from number 13, Kathleen Cadigan, but just short into the net, point Blizzard. Natalini now back to serve. And that one just hitting the tape as well, point Seahawks. Seahawks server number 12, Connors. Float serve. Passed up by Natalini. A swing in the middle from Hill. Off the shoulder on defense, and that is a point for the Blizzard side. A great swing there from Madison Hill. Schollard back to serve. And that is a service ace for Schollard. Point Blizzard. Schollard with the serve. And it is an overbump, and Parlee is there to block the ball. Point Blizzard. Schollard back to serve. And that ball just deep there, point Seahawks. Serving here for the Seahawks side is number 10, Haley Earl. Earl with the float. And Schollard looking to save that ball, but it is out of bounds. Serving once again here is number 10, Haley Earl. And that ball sails long on her point, Blizzard. 24-14 here in the first set. This is the potential set point here for the Blizzard side. And serving the ball for them is number 1, Madison Parley. And there is a bit of an overbump, a dump there from Rowe. And a swing in the middle from number 10, Madison Hill, and that is going to claim the first set for the Blizzard side, 25-14. Both teams are going to switch sides, and we'll be back for some second set action. All right, we are back here for set 2 at the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championship game between the Blizzards and the Seahawks. The lineups are just getting checked, and it looks like we're ready to go right away here. Going back to serve first here for the Seahawks is number 14, Allie Noseworthy. And the girl with the ball there, Allie Noseworthy, make sure to check her out on my Twitter. There is a picture of her socks. She's our early morning superhero. She's got some Batman and Robin socks with some capes on it. Pretty cool. And I am live and interactive on Twitter. It is at the bottom of your scoreboard at Raisa Lalani, RAEESALALANI. Make sure to send me a tweet. Let me know who you're cheering for, or just say hello. I'd love to give you a shout out on the air. And there's Noseworthy with a service ace, point Seahawks. Noseworthy back to serve again. And there is a big serve, but too much heat to handle. That ball is out of bounds, point Blizzard. Jump float from Seguin, and that is going to be a service ace for her, point Blizzard. Seguin back to serve again. And Noseworthy saving that ball. Free ball over from the Seahawks side. Passed up by Duran. And that ball is out of bounds for the Blizz side, point Seahawks. Back to serve here now for the Seahawks is number 9, Faith Holloway. That ball is passed up by Merrick. And there is a swing from number 9, Emma McKenzie. Some new players on for both sides as we get to take a look at the full Blizzard and Seahawks teams. Back to serve here is number 15, Noelle Timiklis. And that is a service ace for Timiklis. Timiklis back to serve. And that ball in the court, Blizzard point. That is another service ace. Timiklis with 2 service aces, perhaps going for a third. Here she is again, back to serve. That ball is passed up by Collins. Free ball over from the Seahawks. In the middle, there is McKenzie with a swing, but there is a big block from Seahawks middle. Number 11, Caitlin Abbott. And she is going to go back to serve now after that big block. Abbott with the serve. That ball is passed up and swung at by number 20, Allie Doran. But that ball is out of bounds, point Seahawks. Serving again here now is number 11, Caitlin Abbott. And there is a spin serve, a spin ace for Abbott. And here she is again, serving for the Seahawks, Caitlin Abbott. That ball is passed up, but no one there to get the second point, Seahawks. The Seahawks taking a lead here in the early goings of the second set, 6-5. Abbott with the serve. And there is a service ace for Abbott. Abbott with the serve. That That ball is passed up. Free ball over. And there is a free ball coming over, but a big block from Mackenzie in the middle. Point Blizzard. Going back to serve now for the Blizzard side is number 9, Emma Mackenzie. Mackenzie with the serve, and that ball just going short into the net. Point Seahawks. Now going back to serve here for the Seahawks is number 5, Anna Rideout. And that ball is passed up. Merrick with the second, free ball coming over. And there is a dig, and that ball is tracked out of bounds by the Blizzard defender. Point Blizzard. And that serve is out of bounds. Point Seahawks. Back to serve on the Seahawks side here is number 3, Sarah Collins. Collins with the serve. That ball is passed up. Merrick with the free ball. And there is a swing there from number 7, Amber Locke. And there is a swing again there from Blizzard's number 20, Allie Doran. And after that kill, she is going to go back to serve here as Doran. Doran with the big serve, passed up there by Collins. And a swing there from number 7, Amber Locke. That one just going deep for her. Point Blizzard. Serving once again here is Allie Doran. Doran with a big serve. And that is going to be a service ace for the Blizzard side. Doran with a tough float. Doran back to serve. And that is an over bump there for the Seahawks player, and that is going to score. Point Seahawks. Back to serve here for the Seahawks is number 7, Amber Locke. Locke with the serve. And there is a big swing from number 15, Noelle Tomiklis, but that ball is out of bounds. Back to serve here once again is number 7, Amber Locke. That ball passed up by the Blizzard and over. Noseworthy setting the left, and there is a swing from Holloway, but that ball is out of bounds. Point Blizzard. Back to serve now is number 16, Merrick for the Blizzard side. Merrick with the float serve. Noseworthy looking to save that ball, but the table was coming pretty close to her. That point is going to go to Blizzard. Merrick back to serve. And that is going to be a service ace for Merrick from the Blizzard side. Merrick with the serve. And that ball is passed into the net. Point Blizzard. Merrick still serving here for the Blizzard team. That ball is passed up. Free ball from Noseworthy. Doran with the dig. To Miklas with the free ball. Seahawks looking to get that second free ball. There is a touch. It is over. And free ball from the Blizzard side now. Another free ball from the Seahawks. And that is going to score for the Seahawks. A great rally there between both teams, but that point is going to be awarded to the Seahawks. Back to serve here now is Noseworthy. Noseworthy with the serve. The ball's passed up to Miklas from the left. Noseworthy with the dig and a dump over. Mackenzie setting it. Seguin with a swing in the pot, and that is going to score. And after that kill, she's going to go back to serve. Here is Seguin. And there is a tough jump float service ace for the Blizzard team. She's back to serve once again, Abby Seguin. Jump float. Noseworthy with the pass. And there is a tip there out of the middle. And Mackenzie with a swing. And another swing there from Abbott, but that one just hitting the top of the tape. Point Blizzard. Seguin with the serve. And that ball just out of bounds on the side. Point Seahawks. And back to serve with the Seahawks is number 9, Faith Holloway. Ball's passed up by Doran. Scollard from the left. A big swing there, but just out of bounds. Point Seahawks. Serving once again here is Holloway. Doran with the pass. But that ball just too close to the ref stand for a second touch. Point Seahawks. And we are going to get a timeout called here from the Blizzard coach. Well, folks, this is the Atlantic Volleyball Championships, but we just want to let you know that the wildfires in Alberta have affected thousands of lives, and you can help those in need by visiting redcross.ca to donate, or you can text FIRES, capital F-I-R-E-S, to 45678 to donate $10 to Red Cross Canada's Alberta Fires Emergency Appeal. So if you haven't done that already, please take the time out today to do that. Both teams looking to come back on the court here. The Blizzard team ready to go. Seahawks as well, and we are going to get some more volleyball action here in this second set. Keep in mind the Blizzard team is up 1-0, but this is a close second set. The Blizzard in the lead with 2 points, but serving here is Seahawks, number 9, Faith Holloway. The ball's passed up. Mackenzie from the middle. And that is going to score for Mackenzie to 5. Point Blizzard. Going back to serve for the Blizzard side now is number 15, Noelle to Miklas. And that is almost off the net there by the Seahawks. Service ace. Nice float dropping there for Tamiklis. And she is back to serve again. That ball's passed up by Locke. Little miscommunication there on the Seahawks side. Point Blizzard. Nicholas with the serve. Passed up by Locke. Free ball from the Seahawks coming over, but it is over and out of bounds. Point Blizzard. And now we are going to get a timeout called from the Seahawks side. And on your screen there is the Seahawks huddle. If you want to catch the action that has happened here all weekend at the volleyball tournament, you can join Bell Alliant TV1's own Scott Squires as he chats with Cyril Looney each Monday at 8:40 a.m. on the Sideline Scoop. Get up to date on Bell Alliant TV1's local sports coverage with Scott and Cyril. It's called the Sideline Scoop Mondays at 8:40 a.m. on CTV Morning Live Atlantic. And folks, there is going to be footage from the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championship, so make sure to see if your team or the person you're cheering for has made it onto CTV. There will be some footage from here for you. Back to serve here now is Tmiklis. Noseworthy with the pass. Free ball over. And a swing there and a block. And Seahawks looking to punch that ball over, but 3 hits there. Point Blizz. Serving again here is Tmiklis. Noseworthy with the pass. There's Collins. And a big dig from Tmiklis. Collins again. And that ball just out of bounds for her. Point Blizzard. Tmiklis back to serve. Short serve there. Almost squeaking over the tape. Seahawks keeping that ball alive. McKenzie from the middle, double block there. And it looks like the blocker was on the net. Point Blizzard. 24-15 here in the second set. This is the potential game point here for the Blizzard team as Tmiklis goes back to serve. And that ball is going to go into the net. Point Seahawks. Back to serve here now is Caitlin Abbott. Once again, 16 serving 24, potential game point for Blizzard. Abbott with the serve. And that is a service ace for Abbott. The Seahawks climbing their way back into the second set. And she is going to go back to serve. That is number 11, Caitlin Abbott. Abbott with the serve. That ball's passed up by again. Schollard with the second. Doran with the swing left. Noseworthy with the dig, and that is going to score, but not without some great defensive effort there from the Seahawks, number 14, Noseworthy. That's your match there. The Blizzards taking that 2-0. Don't you fret, there's a lot more volleyball action coming up. These teams are going to shake hands, and then we'll be back with the next game shortly.